Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Bluestacks is an Android emulator that allows users to run Android applications on their Windows or Mac OS computers. Like any software, it can encounter errors that may prevent it from running smoothly. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to troubleshoot and fix common Bluestacks errors. Fixing common Bluestacks errors, a complete tutorial. 1. System requirements check. Before troubleshooting, ensure that your system meets Bluestacks minimum requirements. Operating system, Windows 7 or later, Mac OS Sierra or later. Processor, Intel or AMD processor. RAM, at least 4 GB. Storage, minimum 5 GB of free disk space. Graphics, updated graphics drivers. 2. Update Bluestacks. Make sure you are using the latest version of Bluestacks. Steps. 1. Open Bluestacks. 2. Click on the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner. 3. Go to the About section and check for updates. 4. If an update is available, download and install it. 3. Enable virtualization. Virtualization technology, VT, must be enabled in your BIOS settings for Bluestacks to work efficiently. Steps. 1. Restart your computer and enter BIOS/UEFI settings, usually by pressing F2, F10, or Del during startup. 2. Look for an option labeled Intel VT or AMD V and enable it. 3. Save changes and exit BIOS. 4. Graphics driver update. Outdated graphics drivers can lead to performance issues. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Windows. 1. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. 2. Expand Display Adapters. 3. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. 4. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Mac OS. 1. Click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences. 2. Select Software Update to check for updates. 5. Adjust Bluestacks settings. Adjusting the settings in Bluestacks can help resolve performance-related issues. Steps. 1. Open Bluestacks and go to Settings, Gear icon. 2. Under Engine, adjust the performance settings. CPU allocation, increase the number of CPU cores. RAM allocation, increase the amount of RAM. Graphics mode, switch between compatibility and performance. 6. Fix installation errors. If you encounter installation errors, follow these steps. Steps. 1. Uninstall Bluestacks from your system. 2. Download the latest installer from the official Bluestacks website. 3. Right-click on the installer and select Run as Administrator. 4. Follow the installation prompts. 7. Resolve error codes. Bluestacks may throw specific error codes. Here are some common ones and how to fix them. Error code 25000. Solution: ensure that your antivirus or firewall is not blocking Bluestacks. Add Bluestacks to the exceptions list. Error code 7. Solution: this may be due to a corrupt installation. Uninstall Bluestacks and reinstall it. Error code 9011. Solution: this typically indicates insufficient storage. Free up space on your drive and restart Bluestacks. 8. Clear cache and data. Sometimes, clearing the cache and data can solve issues with specific apps in Bluestacks. Steps. 1. Open Bluestacks and go to the My Apps tab. 2. Long press on the app you want to clear data for. 3. Click on App Info. 4. Select Storage and then click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. 9. Reinstall graphics drivers. If you're still experiencing issues, reinstalling your graphics drivers might help. Steps: 1. Go to Device Manager. 2. Expand Display Adapters. 3. Right-click on your graphics card and select Uninstall Device. 4. Restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the graphics driver. 10. Contact support. If none of the above solutions work, consider reaching out to Bluestacks support. Provide them with detailed information about your system and the issues you're facing. Code example: script to install Bluestacks via command line, Windows. If you're comfortable using command line scripts, you can automate the installation of Bluestacks using a PowerShell script. PowerShell. Define the URL for the Bluestacks installer. $installer URL equals https://www.bluestacks.com/download.html. Define the path for the installer. $installer path equals $envtemp\bluestacksinstaller.exe. Download the Bluestacks installer. Invoke web request URI $installer URL out file $installer path. Run the installer as administrator. Start process file path $installer path verb runas. Clean up by removing the installer after installation. Remove item $installer path. Conclusion: by following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix various errors in Bluestacks. Always ensure that your system meets the requirements, keep the software updated, and maintain your graphics drivers. If you encounter persistent issues, contacting support may be necessary. Happy gaming!